Okay, right now what I'm going to do is I'm getting ready to mud a beam, corner beam, as I'm trying to get my corners here situated. I have already put the beams on there, on the corners. I put the tape on here already. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mud it down. This is all the person has to do is just come down that beam on that corner, get mud. Mud that corner down. Come back and paint it. And the purpose is to cover from your sight of vision any screw lines where you have your screws at inside of your corner beams. I'm going to cover those screw holes. That's what the mud is there for. You know, you want to get a good even spread on there. So you have to come back. And for me, this is the tape that I use that has the grid in it. You know, that's the line that I just put it down the beam and even it on that side. And same thing for the other corner over there. So if you mud your corner beams, most times, I mean, you'll do it. We had so much going on around the property, we end up doing it after we painted. You know. But that was fine. This beam has got mudded, it's looking good. Getting ready to come down through here with a little tank work and knock it out. And we're just going to keep on mudding here. Once again, my goal is not to just try to show you, how to do this. You got a lot of people on YouTube who do this way better than me. As a banker, 15 years writing, processing FDIC regulated mortgage loans. This is not my total skill set. Sitting behind the desk writing the loan packages up for the properties. And now, I enjoy myself out here in the field. And my thing is, are you sure you want to be in real estate? You sure this is what you want to do? Because this is a lot of hard work. So you make your mind up to do it. It's not going to be easy. Okay, thank you.